We learn about two major branches of statistics, namely descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. In this chapter, we are going to focus on descriptive statistics. First, we are going to talk about graphical methods we can use to summarize data. So there are a lot of methods. The textbook focus on pie charts, bar charts, frequency histograms, relative frequency histograms, stem and leaf plots, and time series plots. Before we continue, I want to mention that we are going to use the R to get these outputs. Why do we need different types of graphical methods? Because we have different types of variables. Variables can be divided into two main categories, namely quantitative and qualitative. For example, zip code is a categorical variable. Height is a quantitative variable. Quantitative variables can be divided again into two subgroups as discrete and continuous. Discrete data have gaps between two consecutive values. For example, number of steps in staircase or number of children in a family. For the continuous data, they can take any value within given range. For example, height, weight, temperature. A pie chart is a circle having slice of pie for each category. A pie chart is used for graphical display of categorical variable, and I think everyone has seen pie chart before taking this course. Basically, size of a slice in pie chart is correspond to the number of observations, so percentage of observations of that category. So let's do exercise 3.1 in the textbook using R. The dataset is about US government expenditure in 2014. Here is the R code. So first I bring the data set. So I have set the directory, and I'm going to use the tab, the data which separate using tab. So then I read data, and I had to mention that the data is separated using tab. Then first I want to see just the data. So I just write the data so I can see the output. So let's run this code and see what's going to be output. So here is the output. So you can see the data set. Its name as program and expenditure, and here is the values. So now I need labels. So labels are here, and then slice the values of expenditure is in here. Then I can make the pie chart. So let's run this one. And here is the output. Now, if I want to make a separate legend for each category, I can be more and get a more nice pie chart. I can be more precise, and then I can add these codes. And when I run this, I'll get this beautiful pie chart. So in here now you can see the legends and what each color mean. So red mean national defense, yellow mean social security. So so now it's more clear, and you have the percentage also in here. Okay, now bar charts display vertical bar for each category. Bar charts are for categorical variables. The height is the number of observation or percentage of observations. Let's get the bar charts using R codes using the same data set. So I'm using bar plots, so that will give me the bar charts. So let's run this one, and here is the bar charts. Now if I want the horizontal one, I can add horizontal true in here, horizontal true, and I can get the horizontal bar charts. Now they are horizontal.